Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Ritchie in North Carolina on this General Lee. Ritchie, get you ready to go, bud. Our standard basic tune alignment. We also have got the SRA 10 trucker antenna ready for you in a static 636. Let's get right to it. Gonna start the RF power on low, 25 watt slug. That's a 2 watt carrier, Ritchie. In case you decide to run an amp, you'll be able to do so. Flip it on high. There's your 10 watts, just in case you want to run a big carrier barefooted. Show your average power swing. Low, 17.5 bird. 50 watt slug PEP. Hello, 1 2 audio, 1 2 audio. 50 watts PEP. Alright, Ritchie, it's ready to go for you, bud. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.